Students, today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of this chapter, and that is managers or partners commission. The reason why this topic is most important because some of these topics are asked frequently in board exam. So as it is most important, we are starting from some important notes related to this point. The first important point is the formula of divisible profit. Divisible profit is equal to net profit minus commission. Friends, it is very important to know the value of divisible profit because profit distribution among the partners is calculated on divisible profit. The second formula is of net profit. Net profit is equal to divisible profit plus commission. If you give attention, you can come to know that second formula is derived from the first one. Like here in the first formula, what is given that divisible profit is equal to net profit minus commission. Here we want to find the value of net profit in second formula. As commission has the negative sign, as commission go on the other side, it will become a positive, means commission plus divisible profit uh, create net profit. So that is the formula for the second one, that is net profit is equal to divisible profit plus commission. In the same way, third formula is also that derives from the first one, that is commission is equal to net profit minus divisible profit. So you have to mug up all the three formula. Okay, the next formula is partners profit. If once you come to know about divisible profit, then it will be very easy to find the individual partners profit. How we can do that? The formula is divisible profit multiply profit share of partners. Means profit share of partners should be multiplied with the divisible profit to get individual partners profit. The last one is more important, that is the formula of divisible profit. So if we want to find the divisible profit, then the formula is partners profit multiply reciprocal of profit share of partners. When in questions you know any one partner's profit share, so from his profit share you can find divisible profit. So, for that what we have to do, we have to multiply partner's profit with reciprocal of profit share of partners. What is reciprocal of partner share? If any partner's profit share is 1 by 3, then its reciprocal will be 3 by 1. As simple as that. Okay, now move on to the next slide and learn some more formula. Okay, these three are the most important formula for this particular topic. In this you got two type of statement. First we are going to read this both the statement and then identify where is the difference. The first one is if the commission of manager or partner is to be calculated on profit before charging such commission, then it is calculated as follow. And the second statement is if the commission of manager or partner is to be calculated on profit after charging such commission, then it is calculated as follow. So if you read the both the statement, you will find almost it is similar except these two words, that is before and after. Now I think you understand that the changes in the formula is just because of these two words. Means whenever you read the equation, it is very important to note these two words. Okay, so if in the statement before what you find, then the formula for the commission will be net profit multiply rate of commission upon 100. And if it is afterward you find, then the formula will be the numerator part is almost same, that is net profit multiplied rate of commission, but in denominator the formula will be little bit changes, that is 100 plus rate of commission. Clear? Okay, the formula for the after you can find two formulas for commission. The first one if you know the value of net profit, and the second one if you know the value of divisible profit. So commission is equal to divisible profit multiply rate of commission upon 100. So For the before there is only one formula, but for after there is a two formula. The first formula you have to use when you know the value of net profit, and the second formula you can use for the value of when you know the value of divisible profit. Clear? Okay. Now move on the next slide and solve some practical questions. The first one is, Komal and Monica are partners of partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 3:7. Komal is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of her such commission. If at the end of the year profit of the firm is rupees 1,65,000, then determine the total amount received by Komal. First of all, as I mentioned, whenever you solve the question related to commission, the first thing which you have to note in your question, that is it after word given or before is given. So first we can find that which word is given here. So you will find that the commission from profit after deduction. Then the second question, whenever you come to know that after is then you have to next question is what you know, either divisible profit or net profit. If no other information is given, then whatever profit is given, that is net profit. So profit of the firm we know, that is 1,65,000. Rate of commission we know, that is 10%, that is given in the equation. And the question is to find the total amount received by the Komal. In this question, Komal will receive two types of income. The first one is commission and the second one is profit share. So how we are going to find the commission? Now I think we know the formula, which formula we have to use. That is, Komal's commission is equal to net profit multiply rate of commission upon 100 plus rate of commission. Now just put the value in this formula, that 1,65,000 multiply 10 upon 100 plus 10. By multiplying and dividing we get rupees 15,000 rupees. This 15,000 rupees is the value of commission. But now we have to distribute the profit among the partners because we have to find the other income of Komal. But as I mentioned you that if we want to distribute the profit, we require divisible profit. It means first we have to find the divisible profit. And what is divisible profit? Divisible profit is nothing but difference between net profit and commission, which means we have to subtract the value of commission from the net profit. We have the net profit, that is 1,65,000. We already find the value of commission, that is 15,000, which means the value of divisible profit is 1,50,000 rupees. Now what we have to do, we have to distribute this profit among the partners. But in question, we want to know the total share of Komal. Sorry, the total amount received by the Komal. So we will find only Komal share of profit here. So Komal share in profit is equal to divisible profit multiply her profit share. If you read question properly, you will come to know that in this question, profit sharing ratio is not given. To distract the student, capital ratio is given, but profit sharing ratio is not given. And we know that if profit sharing ratio is not given, profit will be distributed equally. So divisible profit is 1,50,000 multiply profit share will be equal, means two partners are there, means it will be distributed in 1:1 ratio. So her profit share will be 1/2 and profit share of Komal will be 75,000 rupees. Now we are aware about both the incomes of Komal, that is commission and profit. What we are going to do, we just add it and we get 90,000 rupees, and that is the total amount received by Komal. Clear? Okay. Now move on the next question, that is second one. In this there are three partners, Vishal, Nakul and Chirag. They are sharing their profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1:3. Unlike the last question, here profit sharing ratio is given. In our last question, profit sharing ratio is not given. Okay. Manager is to be paid 8% commission on profit, but after the deduction of his such share. As I told you that whenever you read the question, what is important to know this word? Which word is given? It is either after or before. Okay, in this question, after is given. The share of profit of Chirag is rupees 80,000. Determine the commission of manager. Here, profit is not given means net profit is not given. In this case, whatever profit we get, it will be divisible profit. How we can find the divisible profit? Okay, first what we are doing, we are just write the share of individual partner. So share of Vishal is equal to 2 by 6, share of Nakul is equal to 1 by 6, and share of Chirag is equal to 3 by 6. In this question, one of the partners, that is Chirag, one of the Chirag's profit share is given, and that is rupees 80,000. So what we will do, from this value we can find the divisible profit. The formula of divisible profit is equal to Chirag's profit means partner's profit multiply reciprocal of profit share of Chirag. So Chirag's profit is rupees 80,000 as given in the question, multiply reciprocal. So what is the share of Chirag? That is 3 by 6. So what could be its reciprocal? That could be 6 by 3. So that we are putting here 6 by 3. Okay, and by multiplying we get it rupees 1,60,000 rupees. Clear? Now we are aware about the divisible profit. Now read the question again, or just see here that after what is given and with after we know the value of divisible profit, means we have to use second formula to find the commission. Clear? Okay, just look here. This is one. Managers is to be given 8% commission on the divisible profit, because we know the value of divisible profit. So what is the formula of managers commission? Is equal to divisible profit multiply rate of interest upon 100. So divisible profit is 1,60,000, rate of interest is 8% upon 100. We get rupees 12,800 rupees. This is the final answer of these questions. Okay, now move towards the next question, and that is the third one. In this question also there are three partners, Sheila, Surbi and Sima, who are sharing their profit and loss in the ratio of 5:7:9. Manager Sanket is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of his such commission. Surbi receives share in profit rupees 7,000. Determine the amount of commission of Sanket. Also determine amount of profit before the commission of manager. This question is almost 80% similar than our last question. Okay, so whatever information it is given, we write it is first one, that is profit share of Sila, that is 5 by 21, profit share of Surbi 7 by 21, and profit share of Sima 9 by 21. In this question also, profit of one partner is given, that Surbi received rupees 7,000. So from that we can find the value of divisible profit. So formula of divisible profit is equal to Surbi's profit means partner's profit multiply reciprocal of profit share of partner. So Surbi's profit is equal to 7,000 and her share is 7 by 21. Its reciprocal become 21 by 7. So that we are putting here, and by multiplying it we get rupees 21,000 rupees. Now we are aware about the value of divisible profit. What we have to find next? We have to find the value of commission. In this question also, after is given divisible profit we know, then we have to use the second formula. Okay, so the formula of commission is equal to divisible profit multiply 10 upon 100. So 21,000 multiplied 10 upon 100, it is equal to 2,005. 100. Now we have the value of commission, we have the value of divisible profit. What is the question? We have to find profit before commission of managers. Students, profit before commission of manager is nothing but net profit. Is nothing but net profit. Always remember, profit before commission of manager is equal to net profit. Profit after commission of manager is equal to divisible profit. So if profit before commission of manager, we have to find net profit. What is the formula of net profit? Net for profit is equal to divisible profit plus commission. So we have all the values, just put in the formula and we get the answer, that is 23,100. As simple as that. Clear? Okay. Now move on the next question. Here two partners are there. Ram and Shyam are the partners of partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 3:1. Ram is entitled to receive commission 8% of net profit before deduction of his share. Firm's profit on 31st March 2016 was Rs 1,56,000. What amount Ram will get? From the question you will understand that Ram will get two kinds of income. One is commission and the other one is profit share. But here in this question one word is given, that is before. In the last all the three last sum we have afterward. Here we have a before, means our formula will going to change. In this question we have the value of profit, means net profit is given, that is rupees 1,56,000 rupees. So just putting the formula, the first formula we have to use, that is for the before. So commission is equal to net profit multiply rate of commission upon 100. And the final answer, by putting the values, we get rupees 12,480. Now what we have to do, we have to find the divisible profit to distribute the profit among the partners. Okay, so net profit minus commission is the formula for divisible profit. So when we put the value, we find rupees 1,43,520. This is the value of divisible profit, and we know that we can distribute profit among the partners on divisible profit only. So in next slide what we are doing, we are distribute the profit among the partners. But in question you are required to know the value, the total amount of value received by Ram. So here we only find the profit share of Ram. So profit share of Ram is equal to divisible profit multiply Ram sharing profit. In question profit sharing ratio is not given, means profit will be distributed among the partners in equal proportion. There are two partners here, so this profit will be distributed in 1:1 ratio. So 1,43,520 multiply 1 upon 2, we will get 71,760. Now we have both the income of Ram, that is profit share and commission. We will just have to add this to one. So profit share 71,760, commission 12,480. By adding these two we get 84,240. Okay, simple one. Now move on the last question. That is, in this question three partners are there, Om, Jay and Jagdish. They distribute profit sharing ratio in profit sharing ratio in the ratio of 3:3:2. Their capital proportion is 1:4:1. Their total capital is rupees 6 lakh. Firm pay interest on capital at 12% per annum. Partner Jagdish has received rupees 85,000 including interest on capital. Determine the amount payable including interest on the capital of Jay and Jagdish. Now here total capital is given and capital ratio is also given. It is necessary to distribute total capital into individual capital, because here we have to count interest on capital, and to count interest on capital we require individual partners capital. So total capital is 6 lakh. Capital ratio is given, and that is 1 is to 4 is to 1. So that if you want to find the capital of Om, what we have to do, 6 lakh, the total capital, multiply his capital proportion, that is 1 upon 6. So 6 lakh multiply 1 upon 6, we will get rupees 1 lakh. In the same way, we can find the capital for the J as well. The total capital is 6 lakh rupees, multiply his profit share is his capital share is capital ratio is 4 upon 6, so we will get rupees 4 lakh. In the same way, we can find for Jagdish as well, that is rupees 1 lakh. Now once you get the value of capital, you can find interest on capital on them. So now we have the individual capital of Om, Jay and Jagdish. Now we will going to find the interest on capital. First we are starting from Om. The capital of Om is rupees 1 lakh, and rate of interest is given 12%, so 12 upon 100. By multiplying it, we get rupees 12,000 rupees. In the same way, we can do that interest on capital of J, that is 4 lakh into 12 upon 100, we will get 48,000, and interest on capital 1 lakh multiplied 12 upon 100, we will get 12,000 rupees. Now total amount received by Jagdish including interest on capital, that we are know, that is rupees 85,000. Here Jagdish has a two kind of income. The one will be profit share as he is the partner, and the second one will be the interest on capital, that we know the value of interest on capital. So total amount received by Jagdish is 85,000. Interest is 12,000. So the remaining amount is definitely what? That is profit share. So what we have to do, this 12,000 we have to put here and it will become a negative. So 85,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 73,000. This 73,000 shows profit share of Jagdish. Now like our last question, here we also know the value of the profit share of one partner. So what we can find? Yes, we can find divisible profit with the help of this formula, that is divisible profit is equal to Jagdish profit multiply reciprocal of profit of share of Jagdish. So divisible profit is equal to Jagdish profit is 73,000 multiply his share is 2 by 8, so his reciprocal will become 8 by 2. By multiplying it, we get divisible profit as rupees 2,92,000. Now we have the value of divisible profit. So we can distribute this profit among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So Jay's profit share is equal to divisible profit multiply his profit share. Now we have the value of divisible profit, that is 2,92,000 multiply Jay's profit share is equal to 3. Jay's profit share is 3 by 8. And when we multiply these two figures, we get rupees 1,09,500. Ohm's profit share will be divisible profit multiply profit share of Ohm, that is 2,92,000 multiply 3 by 8, we will get 1,09,500. Now we have to find the total amount received by all the partners. There are only two income are there, profit share and interest. So total amount received by Ohm is equal to his profit share is rupees 1,09,500 and his interest is 12,000. So by adding these two income, we get rupees 1,21,500, which means Om received total 1,21,500 from the firm. In the same way, Jay received 1,09,500 as a profit and 48,000 rupees as an interest on capital. By adding up these two, we get 1,57,500. And in the same way for Jagdish as well, 73,000 plus 12,000, which is already given in the question, that is rupees 85,000. So in this way we can make a calculation, and if you want to present it in a more attractive way, we can present in this way, that Om, Jay and Jagdish are three partners, profit sharing ratio is 3:3:2 and capital ratio is 1:4:1. Now what we are doing, first we distribute this already we have done in our calculation part. This is just the how we have to present. Okay, so the 6 lakh rupees we are distributing in the profit sharing ratio, in capital ratio, that is 1 is to 4 is to 1. And we get rupees 1 lakh, 4 lakh and 1 lakh. Now if we want to find interest on capital, now we have a capital, individual capital. So on 1 lakh it will be interest 12,000 for 12% interest, and 4 lakh it will be 48, for 1 lakh it is 12,000. Okay, now we know that the total amount received by Jagdish is 85,000, and amount received as an interest for Jagdish is rupees 12,000. So the remaining difference is 73,000, and this is nothing but the divisible profit. Now we can directly find, from this value we can find the divisible profit, and from divisible profit we can find the value of Om and Jagdish, Om and J, like we have done in the calculation part. Okay, so students, thank you very much.